DAC Chain Testnet is now live, and if you're seeing this particular video right now, hop on it because you're super early on this testnet. And the good news is that this testnet is going to last for just 30 days, after which the mainnet is going to be launched. But it's actually a good badge that you need to claim, so make sure you hurry up and claim it. I'm going to drop my referral link in the comment section, so just come here and copy it. It's very simple. Just hold it on the 3 dots and you copy it. Very important. So let's check their X page. The DAC quantum chain is actually the first quantum proof non-inflationary blockchain. It's actually a layer 1 blockchain, and it is built for RWA, that's real world assets, DeFi, AI, and secure data validation. If you're seeing this, just hop in right now and claim your gold badge. Without a waste of time, let me get you through all the processes, okay? Just go to any of your Web3 wallets. You can actually use your BitGet wallet, you can use your OKS wallet. I'm having some issues with my OKS wallet, and that's why I'm using my BitGet wallet. Not the BitGet exchange. BitGet wallet is a different app. So if you open your BitGet wallet like this, that's for those that want to use BitGet wallet just like I'm using. You can use your OKS, it's still the same thing, okay? You should see something like the app around here. But if you don't see the app, then come and tap on your wallet down here. So you tap on your wallet, then you come to the search bar and you import it. So you tap on the search bar and you paste my referral code, okay? After pasting it, just come and tap on it here. So you tap on it, then you confirm and you just wait and allow it to load. I've already connected, but for you, you're going to see something like connect here. So just come and tap on the connect, then follow the procedures and connect your wallet. Then you're going to see claim here. Then you come and claim this your gold early badge. The reason why you need to do that is because it's going to give you a 1.2x QE multiplier. QE is actually their native token. In this testnet, you're actually mining DAC tokens, and the DAC tokens are going to be converted to QE tokens in the ratio 1:1. But in this testnet phase, you can actually burn 1 DAC to get 1000 QE token. Don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can be able to do all of those, okay? So make sure it's showing like this. That's if you have claimed it. Then go up. You see it here, okay? You'll see what you have claimed. You can see them. I've claimed 4 right now. So the more of this QE token you get, the more you're going to be unlocking all of these badges. You can see here, I've gotten 12 out of 105. So just come here and do all of the tasks. You can see here, you follow them, you link your Discord, you join their Telegram, you link your X, you verify your email, you send your first transactions, and basically that it is. So if you scroll up now, you can be able to see your own referral code. So you copy your referral code and share it to your friends. So you get 250 QE points and 1 DAC for referring your friends. I believe that's clear enough. So let me scroll up. Now you can actually come here and do tax. They actually have daily tax. So if you scroll up now, these are all the tasks you need to do, okay? So I can actually come here and claim. And one thing you need to know is that after every 8 hours, that's when you can claim. Let me come here now. I tap on claim. If I come here and tap on claim, it's not going to work because I've already claimed. Okay, it has worked. You can see it in the next 8 hours. So I need to wait for 8 hours. Then I'll come back here and I'll claim. I thought I had already claimed. So after every 8 hours, you come here and claim. I believe that's clear enough. Good. So you can see the recent activities. So you come back here. Don't go back. Don't use the back button. Don't use the back button. If you want to go back, come to this place here. That's the dashboard. You tap on it. Then you can go to your home. Okay. It will bring you down here. Then you can repeat the process. Okay. So now after doing that, remember this is where you do the check-ins, claim your full set and the rest. Okay. So come back here. You tap on it. Now these are your badges. If you tap on these now, you can come here and see all your badges. Okay, you can see them. Okay, look at them. So these are what you're going to earn if you're actually consistent, if you maintain streaks you'll be earning all of this. So every day you need to be entering this place. You can see this is the highest 30-day streak, 1000 QE. Just like I said, this testnet is going to last for only 30 days, and then they're going to launch the mainnet. So I'm going to come back here now. Pay attention to this. This is very, very vital. You can see this place where you have QE pool. So you tap on your QE pool. Ensure you always burn your DAC to QE. You can see it. That's what I was explaining to you. 1 DAC is equal to 1000 QE. So you just come and tap on your max here. So you tap on your max, then just come here and you burn it. So you tap on it. It said insufficient. So come here and just tap 1.9. Let me put 1.9. 1.9. Okay. So I'll tap on burn, or tap on the burn. If it's not going, you can actually just come and tap on one. So just burn. I think it's actually having a glitch, because you can see from here that actually burnt the first one. Okay. So basically this is what you're going to be doing. I believe that's clear enough. So you come back here and you can come to your faucets. This is now where you claim the faucet. Okay. What I observe is that sometimes you can claim before this 8 hours gets elapsed, as of when I'm recording this particular video. So you can actually be trying it out and see if it's going to go through. Okay. So basically that's all you need to do. Just come to this place. Very, very important. Come to your home, claim on a daily basis. Come to your faucet, claim your faucet. Go to your badges, secure your badges. Then go to your QE pool. Exchange your DAC to QE tokens. Remember, the QE tokens in this your testnet is going to be your mainnet tokens. I believe that's clear enough. So basically this is how you're going to be doing the testnet. Please make sure you're consistent with this. This is a layer 1 blockchain. And if you're yet to join, I'm going to leave my referral link in the comment section. I'm also going to leave the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So basically that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, or you found any form of value from this video, do what you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications, so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do what to join our Telegram community, link in the comment section, where we'll share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.